That'll be on camera, that. This road ain't got a name.
And it?
No. It just says unnamed road. It's quite clean though, isn't it?
We've been over this bridge.
No. Bit of gravel down here.
Yeah.
River down there.
Look at the river down there.
Look at the river down there. Leads to a main road, I think.
Yeah, it's probably taking us round in a circle.
That'd be funny, that. So we've just had a steady bimble through an unnamed road. I can't remember what it was called, but it was a lovely road. Bit like some of the passes that we've been on, but it had no name to it. But I do recommend trying out this road, the A708.
I think most of the roads that we've been on have been pretty decent.
Yeah, they have. Some walkers.
Crap me then.
What are you doing?
I thought it would have passed.
What a place to stop. Side of the road here.
Alright.
I thought it were a cattle grid as well, but it's been covered over. sheep at the side of the road down here on left. Did you hear me?
Yeah, I did, sorry.
I wonder how long it'd take you to walk to the top of that. More sheep. I think there's a rock in the middle of the road. Did you see it?
Oh yeah, but that's on the opposite side.
I know, but I went onto that side of the road, so I didn't spook them sheep. So I didn't want to spook them as I went past them and them running into the middle of the road for you. See, I'm thinking about you.
Oh, it's alright, I would have felt sorry for sheep.
You'd have just driven straight over them,
No.
you.
When I get to a roundabout, oh fuck it, I'm going over. Can't believe how warm it is.
I know. To what we went through. Are you there?
Yeah.
Oh, I lost you again. I heard you go, I can't believe how warm it is, and it went, nah. I said there were a sheep, but sheep at either side of the road, and it sort of like went into a dip and I couldn't see what were coming, so I had to slow down. Yeah.
You better not be taking me on an airplane thing.
Look at that.
I know.
Can you imagine going down there on a sledge?
You got it on camera? Bloody hell, yeah.